As you can, I don't know if you can see this, how good this is on camera, but where that nail is, that is the dead centre of the wall. This is a 10 centimetre wall. It's the toilet wall, and it's just a dividing wall. So it's in the dead centre there, so each stud is either side of the centre. So as you can see on the line, it goes along there, go up here a bit. So it goes along the line of the wall, in the centre of the wall, down that there. And that is a firewall. I know it's only a toilet wall, but it's a firewall as well. And on the other side is the other side of the wall. So that's toilet in the middle and corridor. You've got a firewall either side. Now I need to put a door of studs down the centre of that, roughly where that middle one is there on the end, down to here. And that'll be that completed basically. There's a few pieces to go in there where the wall is. Other than that, it's basically set up now and very simple. You can see where the walls are going to go. You can see the dividing wall between the bathroom, whatever. So it's all looking good anyway. Hello YouTubers, well this is the end of day 7. It was a long day. I'll show you what I've done, what I've accomplished, and then that's it for the night. I've had enough. So as you can see, a lot of changes in this. I've now got the studs in down this line, all down there. I've got the extra pieces in there. I've got half the studs in over there. I've got most of the little bits of studs as well in there, and some more over here. So this, all's left on this tomorrow is there is one extra piece to go in there, and I'll put a couple of studs in there just to keep it in place, and the studs across there, not many. That's what we're talking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 little bits in here and 3 little bits in there, and that'll be it. So that'll be done tomorrow, and straight after that's finished, then all this stuff, all this Dimovka, has to move across to there, and that will be that's then ready for the wall to go up, walls to go up, and while that's over there, then I can do these studs in this side. So that's the plan tomorrow, is to get that side finished up and get all this stuff over there, and then we'll see what time's like for starting on this side here. But so far so good, and this side here is much easier. There's no strange walls to go in.